Have you ever wondered about the biggest frog on our planet? It's a truly remarkable creature. This giant is called the Goliath frog. It's not just big, it's enormous for a frog. Imagine a frog that can weigh more than a newborn baby. This amazing animal lives in a very special place. It makes its home in West Africa. Let's journey to its world, a world of rushing water and dense forests. It's a sight to behold. The Goliath frog chooses its home very carefully. It lives near fast-flowing rivers and waterfalls. These are not just any rivers, they must have very clean and clear water. The water needs lots of oxygen for the frog. You can find these frogs in countries like Cameroon and also in Equatorial Guinea. This is their ancestral land. They've lived here for a very long time. The sound of the river is the sound of their home. The rivers provide everything the Goliath frog needs. The water keeps its skin moist, which is very important. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. So, clean water is vital for their survival. The rocks in and around the rivers are also important. They offer places to rest and hide from danger, and they are good spots for hunting food. The frog is perfectly suited to this watery world. It's a master of its environment, a true king of the riverbanks. The habitat of the Goliath frog is usually in dense rainforests. These forests are warm and very humid. Rain falls often, keeping everything green and lush. The trees provide shade, keeping the rivers cool. This specific environment is crucial for the frog. It cannot survive in dry or polluted places. The health of the rainforest is linked to the health of the frog. This delicate balance is important to understand. It shows how all living things are connected. The Goliath frog is a symbol of these wild, pristine places. So, just how big is this Goliath frog? It can grow up to 13 inches or 33 centimeters long. That's just its body, not including its long legs. When its legs are stretched out, it's much longer. It can weigh over 7 pounds, or 3.3 kilograms. That's heavier than many house cats. Most other frogs are tiny compared to the Goliath. It truly earns its name, Goliath. This makes it the largest living frog species on Earth, a true heavyweight champion of the amphibian world. The Goliath frog has a very impressive appearance. Its skin is usually a greenish-brown color. This helps it blend in with the wet rocks and plants. This camouflage keeps it safe from predators. Its skin is also quite bumpy and granular. It has incredibly strong and muscular back legs. These legs are not just for show. They allow it to make powerful leaps. Some jumps can be as far as 10 feet or 3 meters. These amazing legs are key to its survival. What does such a large frog eat to maintain its size? The Goliath frog is a carnivore, meaning it eats other animals. Its diet is quite varied and depends on what is available. It enjoys eating insects and lots of them, but it doesn't stop there. It also hunts for crabs, shrimp, and small fish in the rivers. Sometimes it will even eat other smaller frogs or young snakes. It needs a lot of food to power its big body. A true hunter of the river's edge, the Goliath frog has clever ways to catch its food. It's mostly a nocturnal hunter, active during the night. During the day, it often rests on rocks near the water, but at night, it becomes an alert predator. It usually sits quietly and waits for prey to come close. Its large eyes give it good vision, even in low light. When an unsuspecting creature passes by, the Goliath frog acts fast. It uses its powerful legs to leap and its wide mouth to grab its meal. It swallows its food whole. This patient hunting strategy is very effective. The Goliath frog has some very interesting behaviors. Unlike many other frogs, it doesn't have a vocal sac. This means it doesn't make loud croaking sounds. Most male frogs croak to attract females. The Goliath frog is mostly silent, a quiet giant. It's also a very shy and wary creature. It will quickly jump into the water if it feels threatened. Its survival depends on being alert. It's a solitary animal for most of the year, preferring its own company by the rushing waters. One of the most fascinating traits is its nest building. The male Goliath frog does something quite unusual. He builds nests for the eggs and tadpoles. These are not simple nests. He clears out small pools at the edge of the river. Sometimes he even moves heavy stones to create these safe areas. This protects the young from the strong river currents. It's a lot of work for the male frog. This parental care is quite rare among frogs. It shows a surprising level of dedication. Sadly, this magnificent frog is facing many dangers. Its numbers have been going down in recent years. One major threat is the loss of its habitat. Forests are being cut down for farming and logging. This means the rivers it depends on can become polluted or dry up. Another problem is overhunting. People hunt them for food as they're very large. They are also captured for the pet trade sometimes. These pressures are making life very hard for the Goliath frog. This gentle giant is now considered endangered. It's very important to protect the Goliath frog. If we don't act, this amazing species could disappear forever. Conservation efforts are now underway to help. These include protecting its rainforest habitat. Laws have been made to limit hunting. Scientists are studying the frogs to learn more. They want to understand how best to help them survive. Local communities are also being educated about the frog's importance. Protecting the Goliath frog means protecting its entire ecosystem. This wonderful creature is a vital part of our world's biodiversity. It reminds us of the incredible variety of life on Earth and the responsibility we have to care for it.